What's up, guys? So today we got another thing we putting on the Evo. Yep, that's right. We about to get louder again with some horns though. So about to install these hella horns on the Evo, and I think that'll be it. That'll be it. So let's get started. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna have to take off the bumper, and then we're gonna find out where we're gonna mount them after that. So let's get to it.
Man, look at the sky. Oh, the stars, man, the stars are beautiful tonight.
Okay, so now I got the bumper off. Now I'm about to just take off the stock horn, which the location is. There's one right here, and then there's another one down here. So I'm about to take those off right now, and then we'll find out where we're gonna place the hella horns and mount them up. Pretty cool. Alright, got the horn out, and now let's find out a place to mount this. So, bumper's off, old horn's off, waiting. Alright, now we're about to choose a point to mount these things. I never realized how big these things were compared to the stock horns. Like, these things are massive. Like, the stock horn fits inside. It's like massive. It's like really massive. It's like hella tiny. So I think, yeah, those are humongous. But so I think I want to mount them right here. So I got the bumper here because I'm gonna put it up before I actually mount it, see how it looks. And so now I'm gonna kind of just mock it up right now before I screw it in. Alright, so what I did was I took the brackets that was on the OEM horn and I unscrewed them. So they're to this, and they're mounting them to the car. So I took those off so I can get that position, and then I'm gonna just bend them, or bend this over part flat, so then they'll face out straight. So I'm about to do that right now so to get this perfect setup. Alright, so now I gotta mount them where I wanted them, and all we gotta do is wire them up now. So I used the stock horn mount, little straight mount, and then I bent it at a 90-degree angle on both sides. This one's bending that way, this one's bending that way, and they're about symmetrical from the middle of the car, and you can see them perfectly here and here. I actually had to cut this little plastic piece a little bit to fit this side because it was extra a little long and it was looking weird. It was pushing down on this flap which has to connect to the car, and that one was already cut because it was cut. I don't know. All right, so cool thing about the Evo horn harness, if you just pop it out of this hole right here, this little clip holds in with that, if you pop that out, it can actually reach the horn. All you have to do is turn this to this side and it will hold on, scoot it over, and then it will actually fit on there. Boom. So you don't actually need no extra wire. And the same for this one under here. The horn that was under here, if you unplug the harness from that thing, the clip, you can actually, this will fit on here. So that's pretty cool. And all you have to do is ground it. So I made my own harness, my grounding harness. So basically it is 2 of these, 1, and then you go into the 2, the second one, and then I have it a Y, so I can hook it under a screw. Alright, and now I'm just gonna ground this under this bolt. Perfect. Alright, so now we're all wired up and they should actually work now. So let's actually see if they work. Wow, that's pretty loud. RIP headphone use. Alright, so now they're on, they're wired. I'm gonna show you again. So here it's the negative or ground, that's the positive. It's wired up still to the fog light harness, and then this one just brings it back up and it goes into there. Here, bracket from the stock horn, bracket from the stock horn, and that's her. Now all we gotta do is put the bumper on and we're done. So I'm about to do that right now. And that would be it.
Law.
Thanks for watching. That's another install video for the Evo X Hella Horns. Please like, comment, subscribe, and that's a wrap.